picking up a load of cranberries. Pretty cool. might get more fuel, but if I'm not, then I'm glad that I didn't get a full tank. Around here at this company here, we'd like to try to get as much as we can in the box of the trailer, so we can make a little bit more, because we get paid percentage at this company. So they rely on us not getting full tanks right away at the places unless you know what you're picking up, and you know that it's a light load, which happens. But this load, I'm not too sure it's cranberries, so I don't know if cranberries are super heavy or not. But we will find out. I'm kind of hoping that it's not too heavy. That's what I'm hoping for. That is not too heavy. I guess we're getting off in this section here too. That's interesting. I just want to get this load on and go. Got a lot of miles to do. I really don't want to drive all night. Honestly, don't. But the way it's looking, it looks like I'm probably going to be driving all night. I really don't like to drive at night. I'm gonna be really prepared for that. Lots and lots of coffee, lots and lots of everything. What is it? Okay. This GPS do a stupid thing. Yeah. This GPS just did a stupid thing. It got me off the highway just to get back on the highway. Or maybe it's to get off the highway just to get on the side roads, just to get to the customer. Just, I don't know. I give up. Beautiful houses though. I'm hoping I'm allowed to turn here. That's what we're doing. I won't know until I get up close enough that I can see where it says no trucks or not, right? Come on, people. Doesn't say no trucks. But it does look like a house full of houses, and that's not a good thing. This is not cool. Stupid GPS. This is the reason why sometimes you just don't follow your GPS. I'm not supposed to be here. Beautiful homes, but I'm not supposed to be here. This is a prime example of why you should not follow your GPS all the time. Doesn't happen too often, but it's definitely, we're not supposed to be here. the road we needed to be on. Shouldn't have had to go through all that. Made it through. Weren't supposed to go through there. And that was the highway we're just on. We probably could have gotten away with going up the next exit and then turning in. But instead, GPS decided we needed to do a detour. Alright. So we are coming up to it right now. But we're looking for Ocean Spray. Ocean Spray. This Ocean Spray is down this road. So let's really see if actually Ocean Spray is down this road or not. But I see big trucks, so I'm guessing so. You're fine, Chance. There's Ocean Spray, I can see it. Are we grabbing cranberries or cranberry juice? If it's cranberry juice, we are heavy. Ocean Spray. Am I supposed to be sitting on the side of the road and waiting, or am I supposed to be sitting on the side of the road waiting, and go in, or what?
You can go in, go the way around. You're gonna see after the scale one enter. Don't cross from there. Go all the way to the front ahead and make that turn, and you're gonna have that person.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.